What's going on, family? This morning, Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside of a project this morning. I got to build some doors for this, so I'm out here now making my measurements. The guy said all these was the same measurements, but you always want to make sure, because you hate to build one and then every one of them are off. So I try to come out here personally and check and make sure everything is good. And so I can be able to do these correctly. And he want an inch on both sides, an inch at the top, and then just come flush down here to the bottom. So this is just so people won't steal the bottles out of here. You know, you'd be surprised. We'll come and just jack a bottle. So they will put some doors and lid locks on there. So that's what I'm doing this morning, man, out here getting some measurements for this grill setup. It's a nice setup, and just want some doors on it. So that's what I'm doing, man. Out on the service call. Hold on.